In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create expense tracker on Google Sheets, linked to Google Form. Start by opening your expense report Google Sheet. This sheet will be the home base for your tracker, and it is where your form responses will ultimately appear. Once the spreadsheet is open, click into the area that is highlighted on the sheet. Continue clicking through the highlighted spots shown, moving across the section you want to set up. These clicks help you select the correct cells and headings, so your tracker layout is ready before you connect it to a form. After you have the correct area selected, click into the highlighted cell where you can type. Enter the text exactly as shown in your template. This is important because the labels you set in the sheet will usually match the fields you collect on the form, which keeps everything organized once submissions start coming in. When you finish typing, click the next highlighted area to confirm the entry and keep your selection aligned with the template. Continue clicking through the remaining highlighted locations shown so the sheet is prepared the same way. Next, go up to the menu bar and click Tools. From the Tools menu, choose Create a New Form. Google will generate a Google form that is automatically linked to this spreadsheet, which saves time and prevents connection errors. Now switch to the Google Form tab that opens. Click on the Untitled Question area to edit the first question. Then click the highlighted sections within the question block to adjust the text and settings as shown. This is where you define what information people will submit for each expense. Keep your wording clear and consistent with the sheet headers you set earlier. When you are done making those changes in the form, go back to your spreadsheet. Click the highlighted area near the bottom where the sheet tabs are. Then click the Form Responses 1 tab. This tab is created automatically, and it is where every form submission will be stored in rows, with a timestamp and each answer in its own column. Once you are on Form Responses 1, click the highlighted cells shown to review the structure and confirm the columns are in place. Finally, click the Sheet tab indicated in the instructions to return to your main tracking sheet view. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.